Welcome to Uncle Sam tutorial once again, and in this tutorial I'm going to be opening some mystery to you. Last videos we solved some questions. We solved question number 1 and question number 2. Now we'll continue from there. We actually finished question number 1, finished question number 2. Now just a recap, we'll look at question number 2 again. So we are still solving 2013 WAEC JSCE, that is WAEC Certificate Education, Basic Education Certificate and all that. So mathematics, we look at the OBJ section A, OBJ, that is objectives exams. We look at question number 2. I have repeated it here, question number 2, and the question says simplify. For us to simplify 8 minus 9 minus bracket minus 5. So first thing, remember board mass. I have my 8 minus 9 minus, we will take care of minus, so I have minus, you have a plus here. Remember minus is plus. Then we can also take care of this place where we have minus 1. Remember plus minus is minus, so 9 minus 8 we have 1. Sum of the highest number is 9, so sum of the highest number is minus, so you have that. So plus 5. So we have minus plus is minus, so we have 5 minus 1, which is 4. Sum of the highest number is plus, and of course even if we write 4 or plus 4, it's still the same thing. So if you check over to your option, if you check your option, you have the option to be C. Option is C, so I indicate that C. So question number 3, quickly, that is where we are supposed to start from. Question number 3, approximate 0.006071 correct to two significant figure. So 0.006071 to two significant figures. So the two significant figures, we count the significant figures, that is figures, those numbers that are greater than 0, those are significant figures in this case. So except the 0 that is in between, that one is in between, so it's not like any of these zeros. So we are going to count from here. Remember they say two significant figures, so 1, 2. Round this. Remember numbers from 0 to 4 are rounded down to get 0, and numbers from 5 and above are rounded up to get 1. So 7 is one of those numbers we can round up to get 1. If we add 1 to this 0, we have 1. So our answer becomes 0.00. We repeat these numbers, 0061. So this is to two significant figure. This is a two significant figure. And if you check the answer, 0.0061, the answer is A. So we have that. Now going to the next question. Question number 4. Question number 4 says find the value of 11 base 2 raised to power 2. 11 base 2 raised to power 2. I think the first thing we can do, we can actually take this to base 2 to base 10, we square it and return it back to base 2, or we can take the two of them to, we can open this bracket. This is the same thing as having 11 base 2, not 11 base 2. So it's the same thing as having 11 base 2, 11 base 2. So 11 base 2 times 11 base 2. So this will now become 1 times 2 raised to power 1. That if you put 0 here, you put 1 here, put 0 here, you put 1 here. That is what I'm saying. So 1 times 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 0. I'm done with that 1. Then times here, 1 times 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 0. We're also done with that. So of course you know that anything raised to power 0 is 1, so go ahead. So this is 2 raised to power 1, which is 2. 2 times 1, we have 2 plus 1. 2 raised to power 0. 2 raised to power 0 is 1. So 1 times 1 is 1. So 1 times 1 is 1. So we have 1 here, over here. Then times, if we do the same thing here, we have 2 plus 1. So do that. Finally we have 3 here times 3 times 3 for this one, 3 for this one, so we have 9, and this is to base 10. We ended up converting this whole thing to base 10, so we can now return the base 10 back to base 2. So returning base 10 back to base 2, we simply use repeated division. Remember, you use repeated division to convert from base 10 to other bases. So I'm converting base 10 back to base 2. So I use 2 will go into 9. That is 9 divided by 2, you have 4. There will be a remainder of 1. Then you can use 2 again. 2 will go into this. You will divide until it could no more divide. You have a 0 down there. So 2 will go into this. 2, of course, 2 will go into 4. 2, there will not be a remainder. I'll put 0. 2 will go into 2. 1. There will not be a remainder. We'll put 0. Then 2 cannot go into 1. So we write down 0. We take the 1 over to this point. Then at that point, then we pick the numbers from here upward. Pick the numbers from down upward. By the time we pick those numbers from down upward, I'm sure we are going to get a reasonable number. So you can see that 9 base 10 is now equals to 1001 base 2. That is what we are expected to get. That is our answer. That is our exact answer for that question. So the answer to that, if you go to your option, the answer to that is A 1001 base 2. So question number 5 said we should simplify this. We have A plus A square B plus 2A plus A 2A plus AB square. So over to the solving, we have A plus A square B plus 2A plus AB square. AB square, we have plus AB square. So we go ahead, it's very simple. So we look at how to do this. So we can actually collect like terms. We have A here, we have A here. So we have A plus 2A plus A square B plus AB square. So you can see these are like terms, so we can quickly add them together. 1A plus 2A, we have 3A plus A square B plus AB square. So that is our answer. If you check on your options, you find out that is actually the answer. The answer is D. So we have that. Good one. We have that. So we go over to the next question, which happened to be our last question in this particular video. The next question is question number 6. Question number 6 says calculate the square root of good morning, sir. Pardon. Calculate the square root. Question number 5 says calculate the square root of 5 whole number 4 over 9. 5 whole number 4 over 9. Five whole number 4 over 9. That is the equation. Square root of 5 whole number 4 over 9. That is our equation. So when you get a equation like this, first write it in square root form. When you have done that, change it to improper fraction, because this is actually a mixed fraction. So change it to improper fraction. On doing that, we change to improper fraction. On doing that, so you can change that. So 9 times 5, we have 45. 45 plus 9, we have 49 all over 9. 45, we have 49 over 9. So by the time you take square root of each of them, remember according to sort, you take square root of the numerator, take square root of the denominator. So square root of 49 will give us 7, and square root of 9 will give us 3. So square root of 49 is giving us 7, square root of 9 is giving us 3. So if I check and we are not to change it to mixed fraction, we'll leave it. So it's already in it's an improper fraction now. So go to your option. When you check your option, in your options you have, that is number 6. Check it very well. You have A to be your answer. So your answer is A. So with this, we have come to the end of this particular video. If you are joining us for the first time, remember to subscribe to the channel. Remember to share the channel to your friends, to your neighbors, to your classmates, to your colleagues. Tell them that we are having a special tutorial here. Remember to subscribe. Not just subscribe, click on the notification button, like our videos, and send your comments. You have an issue with any question, send your comments in this comment section below. Call us, tell us what you feel like, and send us questions you want us to solve, and we'll be there to solve it for you. See you again in our another video, another interesting video. Please make sure you're always on the channel so that you can get more interesting video.